Hi students, welcome back in GK class. This is class after New Year, so I wish you Happy New Year for everyone. Hope this year bring more happiness for you as well as your family. So without wasting time, we'll start our new chapter. The name of this chapter is Playing in a Park. Page number is 26, and those have old book. They're having page number 27. Okay, so you have to concentrate on page chapter number 26, Playing in a Park. Exact name, chapter number may be here and there. So Playing in a Park, it is a very interesting chapter. What is the chapter in this? You can see in your book. You can open your books with you. Here are some pictures which showing you various playing around in a park, found in a park. Identify them and write the name of particular swing, particular game. You may take help from the clue box. Clue box is also given to you, and you have to write the name of this particular swing. First is merry-go-round. Okay, what is mean by merry-go-round? Here in this, it is very easy, because for this we need two persons help. In your book you can see one boy and one girl inside, and they are enjoying well. How they are enjoying? Because one person can sit inside and other person push this, and it will be go round and round moving towards, and then they will, you can enjoy the swing. You can enjoy here with lot during first time, in your park you are going, especially when you are in KG side, you are enjoying the swings. Next one we are having slide. Okay, when you are going amusement park, in the picnic, during the time of picnic, when you are going with your parents, on that time you are enjoying. Sometime it is coming, the down part is it is in the water. Okay, and sometime it is on the floor, only on the ground. How we can enjoy here? This side you can look in the PPT, the back side there are stairs and you are coming up, and when you are coming up, then you are coming down also with the help of slide. It is slider. It is enjoyable, it is very enjoyable game, and you are playing, you are enjoying with your friends, and some are doing turn by turn, my turn first, your turn last, like this you are doing. Next we are having seesaw. Seesaw is a game in which two persons can participate. Okay, how we can participate in this? Is the game in which side weight will be more, it will be go down, the weight will be less, it will be go up. And it is very interesting game, because in this both the persons have participated alternative, one by one. If I want to go up, I have to reduce my weight, and if I want to go down, then I have to put up more weight in seesaw. Next we are having tunnel. This is the game for boys, especially those are in KG. When you are in KG side, school means in LKG nursery class, on that time you are enjoying this game. And when we are having this game, you are enjoying when you are going in museum park also. So what is the, how we can enjoy this game? There one side there is a back side you have to come, and you have to, with the hand of your knees, with the help of your knees, you are coming and you will be get next door, and it is like a shoulder, you have to come in tunnel. So that is why the name is given tunnel crawl. You have to crawl with the help of knees and arms, you are crawling and you will become back. This is called tunnel crawl. Next is jungle gym. Jungle gym is very interesting game, and here how we can play this game? This is the, with the help, you can go any side. Okay, and with the help of this you have to come up. Okay, when I know when you are in small in age, you are playing with this game with your friends, and you are giving the winners, you are telling that I am winner because I came first at the top. So how we can play this game? Again I am repeating this, you can go any side and you have to come at the top in the middle of this. So this game is called jungle gym. Last is swing. This swing is very interesting in the girls also. Girls, why so? Because girls are having more interest in this, and with help how we can play this game? here only one gun in your book also and in the PPT also, but this game we are playing with the help of two persons. One is pushing from the back and another person which is inside the swing, he is moving up and down like this, it is coming. So this is the full of your chapter. What you do, you have to see this video once again and write the name of this particular swing which you are playing in your park. Thank you for watching this video.